Miss Dia Mirza has come to Lucknow. Welcome. Today, on the occasion of the culmination of the Work Integrated Learning Program of SCPCR, it is my great honor indeed to welcome Miss Dia Mirza to our historic city. She symbolizes grace, she symbolizes beauty, and above all, she symbolizes a heart full of concern for social issues. A big round of applause. Good afternoon, everyone. I am extremely proud and honored to be in your midst today. I'd like to thank you, ma'am, for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to meet such wonderful, bright minds that have already started to make a healthy contribution to society. Why do I do what I do? A lot of people ask me, why do you do so much social work? How do you find the time? And I always say that society is not separate from your own identity. So how can you treat it as something that is different or removed from who you are? I think as privileged citizens that have had the opportunity to a fair, equal, wonderful education, it becomes our fundamental duty to be aware of what is happening in society and then do whatever best we can to make a difference. I'm a big believer in public and private partnership. I'm also a big believer that we must not wait for somebody else to do the work. If we can do something, we must do it ourselves. And I think all of you are a wonderful example of that partnership. I'm very glad that you have had the opportunity to go into the field to discover the merits and the issues that are existing at the ground and formulate your reports. And I'm very certain that each of your reports will contribute in making the program more successful, in helping this wonderful body that has been put together in functioning better and improving the realities at the ground level. And I hope that as law students, you continue to remain interested, active, and involved in not just building your own careers, but shaping the lives of others. Thank you for having me. I hope that my presence will motivate you and inspire you to continue to do the good work that you're doing. And I just want you to know that you're not alone. We're all in this together. We may not live in the same city, we may not even live in the same state, but we are citizens of this planet and we're all trying to make the world a better place. So a big round of applause to all of you. And in the words of Dr. Abdul Kalam Saab, who said that if we really want to see change in society, we need to improve the lives of our children, our teachers, and our parents. So whatever best we can do, and I think that was very sound advice, and primary education is the core of all societies. Any society that has to genuinely advance and evolve and become a more progressive, empowered society has to focus on primary education. I'm going to leave you with a very terrible statistic, and I hope that that ignites you to change that and to remove it forever. India falls second last, according to a new survey that was conducted in primary education. Out of 75 countries, India came 74 for the quality of primary education. And that's very sad, and we have to change that. And we will. Thank you.